Today marks a special moment that will leave deep impressions on you. The message from your angel, as a divine sign, shines with a unique intensity. Prepare yourself for an exciting and transformative journey, guided by the stars of the universe. Are you ready to embrace this with all your heart? Then say yes and let the magic happen under the starry night sky. The revelation of this new path is as vast as the universe itself. Someone who has been hidden in the meanders of destiny now wishes to share the rest of life by your side. More than that, this person yearns to dive deeply into your journey, surrounding you with the love you've always sought. It is a commitment that transcends time, an eternal promise that shines like a burning flame. The love this person feels cannot be contained by simple words. It is an energy that warms the heart and illuminates even the darkest corners. Choosing to move forward in this relationship can fill the voids in your life like finding the last piece of a puzzle, starting a new chapter alongside someone who completes your destiny. This decision is one of the most significant you will face, requiring deep reflection and a profound connection with your essence. The person who offers to walk by your side does not just want to share life, but also be the light that guides your steps on this journey. Choosing between two such important paths can be a cosmic challenge, awakening a storm of emotions where anxiety and expectations intertwine like turbulent waves. However, it is essential to remember that true love cannot be forced. It is a spontaneous gift that springs from the deepest part of the being. At this crucial moment, it is important to follow the rhythm of your heart and choose someone who not only accelerates your heartbeat, but also shares common values and dreams. This is a moment that deserves your full attention and dedication. Trust, which is built over time and strengthened by consistent actions, is fundamental in any relationship that desires to last. Therefore, choose someone you can trust with your eyes closed, someone who not only awakens love, but also demonstrates, day after day, being worthy of this feeling. Someone who not only says they love you, but proves it with actions and commitments. True love is not enough to ensure that this person is the right one for you. It's not just about accepting anyone as a partner, but carefully selecting who deserves to occupy such an important space in your life. The foundations of a lasting relationship go beyond the love we feel. They are rooted in common goals, aligned visions of the future, and shared values. These are the pillars that sustain a strong and deep relationship. The ideal person for you is not just someone who fills your gaps, but who understands and respects your deepest aspirations. It is someone who not only walks by your side, but also encourages you to achieve your greatest goals of self-knowledge and personal growth. This partner, instead of limiting your ambitions, nurtures and strengthens them, helping you become the best version of yourself. Even though this phase may seem like a storm of emotions, capable of shaking even the strongest, it is essential that you open up to a sincere and deep conversation with the person who occupies a significant place in your life. It is time to put aside social masks, abandon pretensions, and dive into the truth of what you feel. Be honest with yourself and with the other, because honesty is the foundation on which mutual trust is built, essential for any meaningful relationship. Even if the outcome of this conversation does not meet your expectations, remember that clarity and transparency are the basis of the most authentic connections. During this exchange, allow yourself to speak freely, without clinging to expectations or selfish desires. This is a moment to listen with an open heart, to capture not only the words spoken, but also the nuances of the soul. Deep down, you will find the answers you seek, guided by your intuition and deepest instincts. The decision you are about to make will echo through eternity. So, delve into this decision-making process with the wisdom that only time and experience can bring. Let your intuition shine, illuminating the path to the decision that resonates with the deepest truth of your being. The right choice, made with clarity and purpose, will bring someone who not only loves you but also surrounds you with unwavering devotion. It will be a person who will be by your side in difficult moments, whose support will be like a shield, protecting you from the pains of life. In moments of triumph, this person will be there to share your joy, multiplying it with smiles and warm hugs. Moreover, this person will make you feel truly valued and loved, like a precious jewel kept in their heart. This kind of partner, whose support is like a bright beacon, will guide you through the turbulent waters of existence to the safe harbor of your highest dreams and ambitions. Whether in the pursuit of professional success, achieving personal goals, or simply on the path of self-discovery, this person will be by your side, lifting you when necessary, motivating you when you are discouraged. The legacy of love, cooperation, and achievements that you will build together will transcend time and space. Therefore, choose with a light heart, confident that the right partner is waiting for you at the end of this path of discoveries and authenticity. The ideal partner is not just someone who shares moments of happiness, but also someone who stands by you in moments of vulnerability, when you need to remove social masks and reveal your true essence. It is someone with whom you can be completely authentic, without fear of rejection or judgment. In the depths of this relationship, you will find a safe harbor where you can anchor your soul, a sacred space where every sigh, every smile, and every tear is accepted with understanding and unconditional love. Think carefully. This decision is like planting a seed. With the right choice, you will be planting a tree that will grow strong and bear sweet fruits. This person will be your support, your comfort, and the reason for your sincerest smiles. It is someone who understands you without words, who holds your hand in the darkest moments and celebrates your victories as if they were their own. On the journey of life, having someone like this by your side makes all the difference. It is like having a dance partner who guides you through the complicated steps and celebrates with you in the victories of the melody. Now, imagine this partner who knows you so well that a single glance is enough to understand what you need. Someone who respects your differences and values your similarities. A companion who is always willing to listen, to support, to be the firm rock amidst the storms. It is someone who sees beyond your flaws and celebrates your achievements, someone who makes gray days brighter just with their presence. Having someone like this by your side turns every challenge into an opportunity and every moment into a precious memory. In this meeting of souls, you will realize that true intimacy goes beyond physical proximity. It is an emotional and spiritual connection that breaks the barriers of time and space. It is about mutual support, where each other's presence becomes a pillar of strength and inspiration. It is about trust and unconditional acceptance, where both open up without restrictions, finding in each other's arms the comfort and security that only true love offers. By sharing your deepest dreams, burning hopes, and darkest fears, you will see that vulnerability is not weakness but a heightened form of courage and authenticity. It is precisely in these moments, when you allow yourself to be completely transparent, without masks, that the true essence of your being shines intensely. Through these moments of radical honesty, you build the foundation of your relationship, transforming it into an impenetrable fortress against the changes of life. In these moments of deep connection, you and your partner find yourselves in an intimate dance, where every word, look, and touch has meaning and purpose. It is a journey of mutual discovery, where superficial layers are removed, revealing the inner beauty and complexity of each soul. It is in this space of surrender and acceptance that the bonds of love strengthen, intertwining in an indissoluble way and resisting the test of time. So, at this crucial moment in your life, when everything seems to align in your favor, embrace this choice with all the confidence that resides within you. Let the certainty of your heart guide you, leading you to the arms of someone who understands your deepest essence and loves you unconditionally. For it is in mutual acceptance, shared vulnerability, and reciprocal trust that the true essence of a lasting and meaningful love resides. Every step you take on this path should be permeated with courage and determination. You deserve a love that transcends the limitations of time and space, a love as eternal as the universe itself. Rise with the confidence that, by following the call of your heart, you are on the right path. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel their deep echo within you. Now, think about the life you want to build. With this person by your side, Every challenge becomes an opportunity, and every moment turns into a precious memory. Someone who knows you so well that a simple glance is enough to understand what you need. This companion respects your differences and values your similarities, always willing to listen and support, being the firm rock in the storms. Imagine the partner who sees beyond your flaws and celebrates your achievements, who turns gray days into moments of light just with their presence. Having someone like this by your side changes everything. It is like having a dance partner who guides you through difficult steps and celebrates with you in the victories of the melody. So, follow your heart. It knows the way. At the end of this road of choices and discoveries, the right partner will be there, waiting to share a life of love, understanding, and achievements. It is a journey worth taking, and the decision to follow this path will be one of the most important and rewarding steps you will ever take. Trust yourself, trust your instincts, and let love guide you to the happiness and fulfillment you deserve. You deserve someone who understands your essence, who loves you unreservedly, and who will stand by your side, no matter what happens. The choice is yours, and the future is bright. Embrace this moment and embark on the journey, for true love awaits you. The universe wishes you the best and will ensure a positive outcome, regardless of your choice. Say, I accept my destiny and all that the universe has prepared for me to claim this message and the blessings it holds for you. Let's spread positivity and kindness to each other, creating waves of good energy together. Did you know there's a possible image of your soulmate that you can see now? It might be someone you already know or someone you have yet to meet. Click the link in the description to get the portrait of your soulmate. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.